Welcome back. Panji police raided Leelavadi Spa and Lanna Spa in Panji. They are suspected of running a prostitution racket and illegal activities.
पोलिसांनी इकडे रेड केलेली आहे. अनैतिक धंदे चालतात म्हणून अजून रेड चालू आहे. पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर सगळं कळेल. आणि कोण नाव समजत नाही, त्यांचं जे चालू आहे ते झाल्यानंतर समजेल.
Goa BJP has started Coal Gate awareness drive. They have demanded judicial probe into the matter and they want the Prime Minister's resignation and cancellation of all coal block allotments.
भारतीय आणि उद्या असं 2 दिवसांमध्ये मिळून भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या वतीनं सर्व देशाच्या प्रांताच्या राजधानीमध्ये आम्ही पत्रकार परिषद घेऊन नेमकं कोलगेट प्रकरण काय आहे हे तुमच्याद्वारे जनतेसमोर मांडण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. कॅगचा जो रिपोर्ट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये असं म्हटलेलं आहे की ज्या पद्धतीनं माइन्स अलॉट केल्या, म्हणजे डायरेक्ट माइन कुठलीही पद्धती न अवलंबता केल्यामुळं हिंदुस्थानच्या सरकारच्या तिजोरीमध्ये जो रेव्हेन्यू, जो महसूल जमा व्हायला पाहिजे होता, त्या महसूल जमा होण्यामध्ये 1,86,000 कोटी रुपयाचा घाटा हा केंद्र सरकारच्या तिजोरीला झालेला आहे. हे प्रधानमंत्र्याच्या कडे हे खातं असताना झालेलं आहे. आणि म्हणूनच आम्ही त्या खात्याचे मंत्री म्हणून प्रधानमंत्र्याची ही नैतिक जबाबदारी की ह्या झालेल्या गोष्टीची जबाबदारी स्वीकारणं.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Due to heavy rainfall, Kortali witnessed a landslide at Sortrand. Huge boulders came down on the road, blocking the traffic during the wee hours of Saturday. However, there was no casualty nor any damage to property.
And I'm really thankful to God that this happened sometime early morning and the traffic was almost nil. And as far as widening of the road and all that, I'm sure the PWD will look into the matter and do the needful.
I think it is happened about 4:30 morning, and we got a message from control room by 5:20. So immediately the staff has been moved out. By 6:30 the operation was started.
The full entire stretch will be looked out after this.
Let them engineer assess the situation, but they will take the decision.
Reporter Surendra Madkekar for Prudent Media.
South Goa Comunidad employees are agitated, firstly due to poor maintenance of the office and secondly, no repair work has been initiated even after several intimations to the higher authorities. Also, the Comunidad employees on Friday boycotted a test scheduled to check their knowledge on Comunidad affairs. Have a look.
The Comunidad office in South Goa is in a dilapidated state. The office has not been repaired since long. It worsens more during the monsoon season. The rainwater gets accumulated in the office, making it worse for the employees to work. The rainwater even pours on the cupboards due to leakage from the rooftop.
पावसान खूब अशी भिजून सामकी जमनीची नाशाडी जावपाक लागली. म्हणटकच त्या खातीर हांवें कलेक्टराक लेटर केलें, पूण कांयच ताजें उत्तर नाशिल्ल्यान
Praveen further informed that he had intimated the higher authorities, but no action was initiated.
आतां हांव सरकारा मुखार तें मांडपाचो आसा थ्रू कलेक्टर, आनी फाल्यां ऑलरेडी एक मिटींग तेणें दवरल्या मॅनेजींग कमिटीचे सगळे इश्यूज बद्दल. तातूंत हो एक इश्यू हांव मांडूंक सोदतां.
Employees of Comunidad are just not agitated with poor maintenance of the office. The employees boycotted the test scheduled to test their knowledge on Comunidad affairs.
अजून पर्यंत पेपर उक्तो करूं ना आनी म्हाका उक्तो करपाचोय ना. पेपर अजून सील आसा, आमच्यान जाल्यार पळोवपाक हांव हो तसोच धाडून दिता. पण ताणें एक म्हाका इतलें सांगलें की आपूण आज 4 म्हयने आसा रिटायर जावपाक, तरी आसतना आपूण ट्रेनिंगाक वता. आपूण जाता तितली ट्रेनिंग किंवा एग्जाम कितें आसा ती ताजेर आपल्याक आनी फुडें फुडें नॉलेज मेळटा.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Time now for another short break. News from sports. When we come back, stay tuned.